How do? You alright? Right. A recommendation from a couple of you. John Hampson is messaging me a few times, reference these pies, and Dickie Bow, he also recommended these pies. And they're from Lidl. The deluxe range. They only had two flavours went in. There was this one, the chicken, leek and bacon, and the other one was steak and Old Peculiar beer, which I'm looking forward to. So, looks decent on the box, doesn't it? And at the moment, it looks like it should do, which is good. Quite high in fat though, 45% of your daily fat intake and 61% of your saturated fat daily intake, 17% of your salt. Right, ingredients, there is 16% British beef, which I like. I always like seeing that on the boxes. Yeah, 16% British beef, 9% leek, and 6% smoked bacon. And the only allergies really are wheat and milk. Right, let's cut into it and see if it looks like it does on the box. Flaky pastry up top and like a short crust pastry outside. And put my gigs on and I can see it properly. Getting out. Right. What do you reckon? Right. Looks like chicken. Got like your flaky pastry on the inside, but it's a bit like that Fray Bentis pastry, you know, there's layers and layers and inner layers are all soggy. Right, definitely not a pie that you can eat by hand. Right, I'm destroying the pie because I'm trying to look to see if there are any chunks of chicken. I think there's one chunk there. That's about it really. Oh, I can see one chunk of bacon there, look. The rest is just basically shredded stuff up. Right, let's go for the taste. It tastes okay. The short crust pastry outside, that's quite dry, so absorbs all moisture out of your mouth. But like I said, see, that's it. That's the only two bits of bacon I've seen. See, I'm not eating much of it, look, and there's not a little bit of chicken there. More sauce than actual main ingredients, but flake pastry is nice. It's tasty. It is tasty, but I'm not biting into anything. The only stuff I'm biting into is pastry. Well, it's not near as good as it looks on that box. Like I said, it is, I've said it before, it is tasty. It does sort of get your taste buds going, getting them excited, and then there's no substance of the actual ingredients. So, I hope the steak and ale one's better. Right. Let them swing. I mean, they're alright if in freezer, have it with a quick meal. Like I say, I mean, you look at that picture there, the ingredients in there. Nothing like that, was it? Nothing at all like that, which is a bit disappointing, but tasty. Right, Let's rate it short and sweet. So the chicken and leek and bacon pie from Lidl, the deluxe range. I think they're only about, saying that long, I think they're only about £2.75 for a box of 2, so I can't complain on price. Value. Very tasty. Flake pastry is good at top. Short crust pastry outside, just basically absorbs all the moisture. The ingredients, very, very lacking. No, one chunk of chicken really. 2 little chunks of bacon, that were it. Strands of chicken in it, but nothing to bite into. You could probably suck it down in a straw, that. So I'm going to rate it out of 20. I'm only going to give it a 10. That's it. 10 out of 20. Like I say, hopefully the other one that I've got looked really good on the box as well. Steak and Old Peculiar Ale, which I quite like, be better. Anyway, keep your recommendations going. There you go, John and Dickie Bo. I'll put your mention in comments and you'll see it. But honestly, any recommendation or ones you want me to try, just let me know. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.